So there's 2 more left until I take the fender off and then do it some more. I'm gonna sand this anyway. I think this is 220. So I'm gonna try to get you a better look. So that's better. I need my rag. So now you can see them better. And in the camera, they actually look good. I mean, as far as the bigness of them goes. So I had to take off that little inner support brace to get to these, and you can kind of feel them from underneath. But again, everybody has their favorite hammer. Can't really get the angle, but it's close enough. So just a little ring around this one, mostly on the back side. But here's something else. So when you're getting ready for final paint, that's why gloves are important. Because now there's body grease on all of this. You can see the thumbprint. You can wipe it off, but it's still there. So, you know, when it's time for final paint, you got to clean this really well with the waxing grease remover, some Windex, something to get all of this, all the oil off. You're going to be moving it around. You're going to be touching it with your dirty arms, sleeves, and all that other kind of stuff. And then when we take the fender off, I'll be able to see a little bit better on this backside, and I might be able to reduce this a little bit more. But something like this, we'll sand it, we'll prime it, or seal it with some epoxy, prime it, sand it, and then we can work this out and basically make this disappear just with, you know, sanding, priming, before we put the final paint on it. There was some more back here on the other side. There's one more left up here on this little panel, but I can't get to that until I take the fender off. So just some little light tapping. You saw me, I wasn't banging really hard. You just tap that metal back into place. You can use this dolly to hold it down, and you'll feel it when it's hitting right in the right spot, and that's when you want to work it, and it'll push this up against this. Sometimes when you're tapping on these little things, they want to bounce back a lot, so you gotta convince that metal to go back the way it used to be. But so far, so good. I'm kind of happy with what we've done on the front. We don't have to worry about the back because those are all brand new. Hood looks good. No dents to take out there. Well, I got a little bit of work to do on that front lip, but that's mostly my fault. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Likes over here, subscribes over there. It helps the channel out. Got to get those viewer recommendations going so everybody else can see it. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.